All right, so I just finished part 2 to find that 5 is a 0 of this polynomial function up here at the top. Part 1 was my possible rational zeros, and then part 3 now wants me to find all of the zeros. Okay, so I have one of them. I have 2 more to find. So let's find all of the zeros. Now, I figured out my possible rational zeros. It's this big long list here. And then using synthetic division, I found out that 5 is in fact one of my zeros. Now what that means is that I have a factor of x minus 5. And that divides into this original polynomial up here. And when it does, what I'm left with comes from these 3 numbers. These are going to be the coefficients. All right, so I have 1x here. I'm going to go down 1 from where I was right here to x squared, and I'm going to use these coefficients. So 3x squared plus 8x minus 35. Okay, pretty cool, huh, that I can use these coefficients to find the polynomial that's left. And I guarantee if you multiply this out, if you distribute this out, you will get the original polynomial that you started with. So now I can either factor this trinomial using the AC method or the trial and error method, or I can continue on with synthetic division, which is what I'm going to do because I know this is going to work out nicely. So I'm going to use synthetic division to these 3 numbers, the 3 coefficients in this polynomial, 3, 8, and negative 35. All right, now, what numbers am I going to try? Well, I already tried a positive 1, and I tried a negative 1, and I tried a positive 5, so I'm going to continue down the line. I'm going to go to negative 5. All right, so let's do synthetic division. 3 drops down. I have negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. 8 plus negative 15 is negative 7. Negative 5 times negative 7 is 35. Try that again, 35. And then look at this. Negative 35 plus 35 is a 0. So my other 0 is negative 5. One of my zeros is 5. One of my zeros is negative 5. And then I can find the third one from here. So at this point, if I was putting it as factors, I would have x minus 5, x plus 5, and then using these 2 coefficients, 3x minus 7. All right, now I am going to use, if it was set equal to 0, I'm going to use this to find the 0. So 3x minus 7 equals 0, and then we're going to solve for x. Grumpy x wants to be by itself. Add 7 to both sides. 3x equals 7. Divide both sides by 3. And x equals 7 over 3. That is my third 0, okay? Was that in my possible rational zeros? Yes, it was, a positive 7 over 3. Okay, so here is the answer. My zeros are 5, negative 5, and 7 over 3. Okay, now I found this using synthetic division. I'm going to also find this, let me show you how to factor this, okay, which is up to you.